And the reason we talk about towels is because this is one of those things that often gets replaced. And as people buy new sets of towels and linens and stuff like that, they'll hang on to the old. And it's a peculiar thing that you would buy new linens, new bed sheets, new bedding, new towels, and you upgrade your house, you upgrade the room that you're decorating, and yet you hang on to the old stuff. Why are you hanging on to it? I know why. Because you're saying, well, I could use it for the pets. I could use it to wrap something in if we're moving, right? I can use it as a cushioning. I could use that in case it's the winter time and I want to put the towel over the front windshield of my car so that I don't have to scrape the windows in the morning, right? There are hundreds of reasons why we need old towels. The question is, how many do you need? So if you have linen closets full of old towels and you only ever use 3 or 4 extra old towels, how many do you need? Now, as someone with hoarding tendencies, I'll share with you that I too had a linen closet full of old towels. And I had this exact conversation with myself. And I hate admitting this, but as I'm helping other people go through their stuff, these conversations are going through my own head. And I'm like, I think I have maybe too many towels of my own. And how often do I use them? And I could probably use 3, 4, 5. Let's let the rest of them go. And they're perfectly good towels, but we've replaced them with new ones that match. So I went through my towel collection and I got rid of all the towels and all the washcloths that I wasn't using anymore because I just didn't need them. So how many do you need? If you have an excess amount, this might be the time to have a conversation because you might have hoarding tendencies.